Welcome to Mac and PC Prime Video. Today, is this desktop computer beep sound when you turn it on? Let's see how to fix it in this video. This problem comes in 3 ways. Let's look at them one by one. First of all, this beep sound comes when the computer's memory is damaged. Second, this problem occurs when the BIOS battery is faulty. Thirdly, if your computer has a graphics card that is damaged, this sound will occur. Step 1. Dust is a problem for all computers, especially desktops, since they are huge with a lot of open areas. Now take this RAM and clean it, and then install it carefully. This helps to increase the lifespan of your computer and to avoid errors at startup. The first thing you'll be required to do here is to check the RAM. Then locate the RAM slots to make sure they are firmly attached. Moving around a computer on a regular basis can cause certain components to become loose. Step 2. The most common symptom of CMOS battery failure is incorrect or slow system date and time in the BIOS, loss of BIOS settings when the computer is powered off, time of day clock stopped error message, and so on. If the CMOS battery is out of charge, the BIOS settings will be lost when the computer is powered off. You will be prompted to reset the time and date when you power on the computer. Sometimes the loss of BIOS settings may prevent the computer from loading the operating system. The Dell desktop beep sound is coming. First, try changing the BIOS battery, and this problem will be fixed. Step 3. It's not easy to remove or replace a video card in a laptop computer. Therefore, we're focusing more on the desktop variety. Dust is a problem for all computers, especially desktops, since they are huge with a lot of open areas. Desktop owners need to regularly remove certain components, such as the graphics card, and give it a good cleaning. This helps to increase the lifespan of your computer and to avoid errors at startup. Now, we turn on the power of this computer. See here, it has turned on and the display is showing.